Hello, how is everyone? What's happening today? Happy Saturday. You in there? What's going on? So I am back and I am going to do a big unboxing. I'm going to do a big package opening. And so again, I think I'm going to shut off the comments and say thanks for signing in. And hi Gina, hi Artist DJ. Gina, how are you? I loved that tartan plaid. Gina, I am doing hi Naya Rods. I'm turning off the commenting. So I am doing my first unboxing from Fashion Nova Curve. So let's check it out. Let's see how it works. I think you can see me, right? Let's see, what if I bring it closer? That might be better, huh? All right, let's see. So, check it out. How's everybody's Saturday going? Oh, let's just get right to it. You ready? Some breast lift pasties. These are for, well, let's just see. These are for when you're wearing dresses that are, when you're wearing dresses that, you know, have no, you need nothing showing. These are what you use to put on and lift. So we're going to try those. I haven't ever used them before, but they look interesting. Oh, I'm in a little light, but you see how it works? So that's going to be good. I'm excited about that. Interesting. That's funny. Here's another one. The V-Bra. That is for the deep plunger. Deep plunging. Oh, I got. Nice. Look at. Comes low, low, low. Awesome. That's going to be good. And nicely padded. Love the padding. And there's even room to put more pad, which for people like me, that might help. Cool. Okay. Good one. Excellent. This is my first Fashion Nova order even. So let's see how it goes. I see, hold on, I see. Okay, I see people are looking to join. Now here's my list of what I ordered. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't even remember. Okay. Oh, I see. Some biker shorts. I have only, let's see, last year I went to the store. Oh, okay, I see. These are not silky. These are like cotton. So we'll see about those. I'll do a try on another time, but that's kind of a good color. It's kind of a brownish Yeah, it's a brownish olive. Okay. This is just going to be no order. In no order. Oh, right. Totally don't remember. Ah. Yay. A little jumpsuit. All-in-one jumpsuit. Cute. All right, we'll see how that works. It's I see how the way that they cut the velvet is makes a different pattern on it. So we'll see how that looks like once it's on. But it made it look like it had the waist defined and all of that. So that's cool. Ooh, that's interesting. A little red dress. Now look, that's funny. You think that's gonna work? That is hilarious. We'll see. We'll see if it'll fit my all. This is gonna be a bodycon dress for sure. And look at the pretty zipper in the back. It's a lot of nice ruching there. So that should, we'll see. We'll see how it works. To the leggings that I already have on today. Not really, but kind of it's a ooh, the material is cool. Let's see. The shirt. It's a sweatshirt. Hood. Okay. Cute. And the pants. What is a slipper? The pants. Cute. They look like they could work. We'll see. You know, when you have this kind of a shape where your hips are way bigger than your waist, it's always a roll of the dice if they're going to fit. I guess I don't need these glasses if I'm not going to look. So, we will see. I think these are going to be another pair of the shorts. Yeah, a little bit of red shorts. I'm not sure. I don't usually wear this kind that are not shiny. I usually only wear shiny ones. And also ones with compression. So we'll see how this works out. Those seem a little bit more like slip shorts. And this is, yeah. This is. Red, you know I love a red. So here are the here are the slip shorts. We'll see. These are more like what I'm used to. They're I don't know if you can see the sheen, but they're shiny. They're slippery. So, and then something camo. You know I love a good camo, right? Yeah. A camo. Oh, right. I do not have one of these. This is not for this time of year, I don't think, but a camo dress. A camo bodycon dress with spaghetti straps. Ooh la la. Cool. I think I'm at the end. Yes. Okay. Let's see. This is what I'm really excited. And I'm hoping this can be good for Christmas this year, since we're all home and casual. I think that might work. We'll see. I don't know if I can. We'll see. We'll see. I think it should work. Feels like it's, yeah. Feels like it's stretchy. So, it's my color. Oh, if only I had like a really cool belt. I don't. All right, that was a haul. That was a Fashion Nova haul. My first Curve haul, and it's kind of exciting. I don't know what. I don't know what you think. What? I don't know. Has anybody had the experience of using them? Has anybody had the experience of having Fashion Nova? Let me see if Gina answered. Yes, I am going to do the try on another day, or later today. I don't know. Probably Monday. I guess the try on will happen, and probably not live. I'm not sure how to make a live one work, so I probably will have to tape it and then put it together. So we'll see. We'll see how that works. But I'm kind of excited because you know I love red. So I think these were all great. Oh, this feels so comfortable. Really comfortable, it feels. Has a different feel than the brown one. Must be a little bit of a different makeup of the material. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I'm excited. Thank you, Fashion Nova, for my first Curve haul, my first Curve haul. And we'll see how that goes and how it works for my body, and I'll report back. So I hope everybody's having a great Saturday night, and I will see you again. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your support, and I'm looking forward to doing more of these next year. fashion was actually my concentration in college. So it's just kind of full circle coming back. So I'm excited. All right. I hope everybody has a great evening, and I thank you for tuning in. I guess I can do this. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, that was kind of weird, huh? Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. I am really thankful. We're getting close to the end. I can't believe Christmas is almost here. I hope everybody stays safe out there. If you're celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you've already gone through Hanukkah, I hope you enjoyed your holidays. And then whatever other holidays you're out there celebrating. I think there's like something like 14 different holidays that are going on right now. It's kind of amazing around the world. So everybody's got something that hopefully they're participating in, and it's going to be different this year, right? We're not going to be, I know the cases keep going up here in Los Angeles, and so I think we had reports today that, you know, like even if you have some kind of an emergency, think of other options and trying to get to the hospital because the beds are so sold out, and it's going to be crazy. So anyway, I hope everybody can somehow enjoy this time. It's different, it's unusual, and we're all out of our comfort zones, but I hope you somehow add some magic. And I appreciate your support here. Oh, I do want to let you know that for those of you who responded to, did you want a Curvygirlbeth calendar for 2021? I have had to postpone that because of the lockdown here in LA, and it just didn't make sense right now. So I think I'm gonna probably look at that for maybe for Valentine's Day. Maybe that would be another choice, another option. Yeah, I think that's going to be my time frame. I think that might be able to work out. So keep your ears posted on that one, and I look forward to seeing you all again. So thanks for joining in. Bye. See ya.